Hi there, my name is Arun Selvam and this is my video resume. I'm 24 years old from Kampapera. As an eager and energetic fresh graduate, I'm looking forward for an opportunity in NI Malaysia for the position of manufacturing engineer to upgrade my knowledge and learn some essential working experience. Recently, I've graduated from University Malaysia Pahang in mechanical engineering. Previously, I've obtained diploma in mechanical engineering automotive from Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah, Berang, Perak. During my internship period, I worked as an assistant engineer in Unison Group, where I've been assigned to troubleshoot known machine problems, creating reports, and learn the machine mechanisms. During the period, I've learned to manage my time effectively to complete my task within the given time. I'm a certified user of Microsoft Office softwares such as Microsoft Office Word and Microsoft Office Excel. On top of that, I'm proficient in using design softwares such as CATIA, ANSYS, SolidWorks, and Inventor Nastran. Other than that, I have a good sense of teamwork. I've managed to cooperate with my colleagues during my internship period to complete the given task. In 4 years of my degree experience, I've obtained Dean's List Award twice, and I'm also a Polytechnic Gold Medalist student for achieving CGPA over 3.5. In a few words, I would describe myself as passionate, diligent, and quick-witted. I'm very much interested to join your organization to strengthen my skills. For further information, please do not hesitate to contact me through my email. Thank you.